Alright, good morning to you wherever you are watching this video. This is a complete tutorial of everything you need to know about the Vtu and the airtime business. You create an account on mobilesms.com and you log in with your account. In my own case, I'm logging into my account on the mobile SMS platform. So once you have registered as a new user, then you can log in into your account. After logging into your account, you will see the announcement which talks about some of the new announcements that will be posted on a regular basis by one of the admin. Okay, so you can close this since that's not what you are looking for. First thing you need to look at is your wallet. In your own case, if you are new, your wallet will be 00. In my own case, I have around 137,000 inside my wallet. And immediately you create an account, you will have a Wema Bank account for instant funding. This allows you to automatically fund your wallet. So you can just copy the account number you have here and send money to it automatically, and immediately the money will be funded in your wallet. And on every account there is a unique Wema Bank account, which simply means the Wema Bank account you have on your portal is different from the one that you can see on my screen right now. So you have some of the payment history you have here, you have some transactions history, you have some of the features like buy airtime, cable subscription, electricity bill, and education payment. So let me start by telling you how to go about it. The first thing you need to do is to fund your wallet. After you have funded your wallet, and you can go ahead and, for example, you want to buy an airtime, you can click on buy airtime. When you click on buy airtime, you have to select the network. Is it MTN? Is it Glo? Is it in my own case, I'm going to pick MTN. Then you put the mobile number here. For example, I'll be using one of my number. I'll be using 0826742421633. Now you put the amount you want to buy here. Immediately you are typing the amount, you will receive a message like this telling you the amount you want to buy. That means you are buying 100 naira airtime at the rate of 98 naira. Then you will set your PIN. Now at the process of creating your account, you will be redirected to a page where you will set up your PIN, transaction PIN. The transaction PIN must be secret because it has a lot to do with your personal account. The reason for transaction PIN is for your account to be more secure. You can use the transaction PIN. You will have changed transaction PIN. You have a default PIN, and you will have a notification on that okay, this is your default PIN, and from that default PIN you are expected to change your PIN. So you put your transaction PIN and you click on buy. So immediately, okay, let me check my transaction PIN. Okay, my own transaction PIN is okay. If I click on buy now, you have a notification like this telling you, do you really want to buy? Okay, let me click on go, and you wait for a few seconds. Okay, the transaction is successful. So immediately the transaction is successful, the airtime will be sent to your phone, and that's on. Okay, you can buy other network as well, and the more you buy, the lesser you pay. That's on how to vend airtime on the platform. Another thing is okay, that's the message for the airtime. That's the message for the airtime. Alright, another thing is you have airtime, and okay, that's the transaction. Okay, now you can buy data. The way you buy airtime, the same way you click on data, you can click on your menu here and see some of the pins you can do here. I'm going to go back to my cash. Click on the menu again to hide it. You select the type. We have two types. We have SME, we have gifting. When you click on SME is a little bit cheaper. At the time of making this video, 1 gig SME is around 245 naira. You put the phone number you are sending the data to. In my own case, I'm not buying any data right now, so I will just put the data and send it. The same way, put your transaction PIN and purchase the data. So the money for this data, the equivalent amount will be deducted from your wallet balance. So that is how the system works. So you have to fund your wallet balance. For example, most people buy 1 gig data at the rate of 300 naira, and you have a platform where you can buy at 245 naira. That means if you are selling 1 gig data to someone, you are making at 300 naira, you are making 65 naira profit instantly. So if you are selling 2 gig, let's say 2 gig is 490, and you are selling at 600. That means you are making an instant gain of 110 naira. You have 5 gig. You have 3 gig asset. If you are selling this 35 naira on our platform, if you are selling to someone at the rate of 900, that means you are making above 200 naira profit. So that's how the system works. So the only thing you need to do is you make sure the person pays into your account and you have the phone number. Please make sure you are putting the accurate phone number, because immediately the data is sent out, there is no way of retrieving the data back. Please be careful and make sure that they are sending you the appropriate number. Like what I mean is, if they are buying an MTN data, they should not be sending you an Airtel number. So okay, let's go ahead. As on that, we have bulk SMS as well. So you can send bulk SMS with the same unit you have on our platform now. So but one thing is, you need to pre-register your sender ID. Okay. Let me. I think I've registered this website, and I'm going to put my phone number. Okay, you can separate it with comma. You can see the phone number supported here: 080, 07, 09, 082, and 234, and must be 11 or 13 digits numeric number, because SMS will not be sent to, will only be sent to valid phone number. So you are required to register your unique sender ID for SMS delivery. Okay, welcome to sms.com. So let's say after this message, I want to save this number on my group. I just turn on this. I'll e-mobile contacts. Okay, then I'll put my transaction PIN. Then I will send bulk. I will send SMS telling me that okay, message is going to be sent to 2 recipients. Okay, you wait for it. Please wait. You can hear the sound now. SMS is delivered right away to the 2 numbers. Okay, that is how bulk SMS works, and the same transaction will be carried out from your wallet. Now, other thing we have now, when we go to our address book now, you will realize that we already have e-mobile contact there. So I'm selecting the, let's say I want to send another message now. I will just click on the contacts and I will put the message. I don't need to create a new group again. I'll put the transaction PIN. This is for, you can use this method to use again and again the same contact you have sent message to. Let's say you are sending bulk advert to your client, or you are sending reminder about your training, or you want to bring some other people into the system. This is the way you use it on our platform. So that's on bulk SMS. Other thing we have on the platform, you can see your message history, you can see my groups, you can see address books. This is the message history. These are the messages that was sent, the amount charged on the platform. You can view the message here. So So you can see the messenger, you can see the recipient, you can see the date that the message is sent. So another thing you need to know is that we have my groups. My groups allows you to see all the group contacts. You can see groups, you can see the contact, you can download it, you can edit it, you can rename the group to your own taste. You can download the contacts if you want to, and you can delete the contacts if you can see the total number of contacts inside it. And of course, I'll show you how to see the you can download it to fill all the contacts you have there. So let's go back to the address book. On the address book, I have this. Let's say, for example, I have eMobile contact and I want to add more contacts to eMobile. So I can just put all the contacts here, separate each contact by comma using the normal format, 080 or 234 format. So or 07 or whatever format, it must just be a format, a Nigerian number format. So you put the contact there and you click on add address. So all those phone number will be added. Like for example, it's 067 and 0637. And I click on add. So it means I'm about to add one more contact to the address book. So I have another contact added already now. Okay, successful. And I can now go to my my group and see the number of contacts I have inside my group. That is on the bulk SMS aspect of our platform. And again, we have another. You can go to group management. You have 3 contacts now. If you want to see everything, you can download it on your system or on your mobile phone or whatever device you are using to access this video. Now we have what we call cable subscription. Cable subscriptions allow you to select the payment. Is it DSTV payment? We have some of the booklets here. We have, of course, occasionally you always need to check the price because the price here is, I think there's new price. The new price is out right now. You put the decoder number here. You always verify the decoder number. Okay, put the decoder number here. Okay, I don't have a decoder number right here, but in case you have decoder number, you can put the decoder number here and you verify. Once you click on verify, it will bring out the name of the person that owns the decoder, and you can select the type you want to update, you want to pay for here, and put your transaction in. The same equivalent amount you have on it will be deducted from your wallet. The same thing with other systems too. GoTV, StarTime, electricity payment. But one thing you need to do is this: please don't forget, whenever you are subscribing to cable, let's say cable, this particular cable is 700 and, for example, I'm not saying this is the price because all these things also varies as well. So always check to see the current price and always add your home money to the system, because right now we have not revealed the price because there's a new price increase that even after watching this video, the price you have on that DSTV will be different on any of the cable subscription. So take note of that. Always check for the current price for some of these services that are not regular. No, this doesn't come all the time, like airtime, like data. Cable subscription doesn't come all the time. So you need to always check for the latest price, because we always keep updating our price from on our platform, and you must always add your own profits to it. For example, if I'm doing for you at 8,000 naira, let's say this is 8,000, I can say okay, my own is 8,250. Of course, someone that is at the confidence of his own wallet, okay, is it not just sending money? Okay, don't worry, if you can do it, fine. 8,200 or 8,200. That's more than enough. People pay for convenience. Okay, the fact that they don't need to go out on themselves, even if they know that the actual price that GoTV put it out is 8,000 naira, since they don't need to go to their office, most of them will do their analysis. Okay, I need to leave what I'm doing right now. I need to go to the DSTV office, or okay, if I have someone who can do all the problem for me and is charging me extra 200 or is charging me extra 300, I think that's not enough, because number one, if they are living the comfort of their zone, they need to take a cab, if they are taking a cab or they are driving, they are going to use fuel, they are going to use time and all of that. So if you are doing this thing for people, definitely you know that you add your own profit. That's on cable subscriptions as well. Let's go ahead to electricity bill payment. Now the same thing applies to electricity bill payment. We have different distribution. We have Abuja. Make sure the person tells you the distribution he or she, because we have different distribution in Lagos. We have Ikeja. In Ibadan, we have Ibadan electricity distribution. Then the meter number. The person will send you the meter number, and you need to verify it. When you verify the meter number, you ask the person how much does he or she want to put on a meter. So once the person tells you the amount, then you go, okay, plus charges. Let's say your charges is 200 or your charges is 300. Okay, the person has to go ahead. The person pay money to your account. Then you have you put your transaction pin and you do that as well. So that's on electricity bill payment. We have also education plan. We have education. Let's say we have Wahed Splash Card and NECO Splash Card. Right now on the system, the NECO Splash Card has not been updated, but before the end of today's work, the WAEC and the EPN will update where you can select the card you want to buy, then generate the PIN for it, and that's all we have on the system. Now, one thing you need to know is this: when you register your platform, we have different plan, because right now on the dashboard I'm on under account setting. You have where you can upgrade an account. For people who are just registered, because you'll be asking yourself, why is the price I'm buying on iMobile different from the price that you are seeing on screen? Right now my current plan is a reseller platform, is a reseller. We have end user. When you create an account, you are an automatic end user, and you will see I'm currently on reseller plan. That means I cannot change. We have other plan like VIP plan. For you to go to VIP plan, you need to pay 50,000 naira into our account. I can click on upgrade. It will tell me, okay, the 50,000 naira will be deducted from my wallet. If I'm okay with it, I can say go ahead. If I'm not okay with it, I can say okay, no problem. If it's developer plan, we have a developer plan of 200,000. That means if you are going for a developer plan, that means you have a portal, and we have another version of the systems that we are going to give to you, that it will enable you to build a lot of portals under your portal, which means as people register on your platform, other people want to have a website, a complete website, Vtu website of their own. You have a version of the software that can work directly with them. Mind you, your system is connected to iMobile, which means you only need to fund your system and rest. Just as you have your normal bank application, once you have money in your wallet, your account, you can buy airtime at any time. So as many that uses any of the bank apps, once they have money in their account, they can fund their they can do any of these services that we have on the system. So you can upgrade your plan, but by default you will be on end user plan. That simply means you will be buying around 250 naira per data. But for you to upgrade of course, you can go to the account settings and see upgrades. You can see everything about you. If you already have a platform and you already have an account and you want to get an authorization key for you to have a website of your own, you can talk to any of our admins. They are going to help you on how to achieve that. You can change your password as well from the platform, and you can fund your wallet. Now, for you to make payments beyond the first payment I showed you on the dashboard, there are 2 or 3 ways for you to make the payment. Okay, on the dashboard here we have transferring money directly to the Wema bank you have here, and the second one we have your fund wallet. We have the fund wallet where you can either do some of the payment. We have different payment methods. We have auto wallet crediting. Okay, we put the amount. Let's say I want 300 naira, I want 3,000 naira, and I click on submit. So it will generate the bank where you can make payment to here for you. Okay, now this is your bank. This is your personal bank. This is your personal Wema bank, because when you send money to this, it automatically credits your wallet. It's a modified system that automatically. If you don't want to use that, we have bank transfer, where you can see the company account number where you can send money to. And the third one is the paystack payment system, which allow you to make payment. With your ATM card. The paystacks, you have a system generated for you like this, telling you the price and the charges and where the money goes to. If you are using card, you can say pay with card. Enter your card number, the PIN, and the CCV, and once you click on pay, this particular amount will be deducted from your account. So you can go back here. You can cancel the payment. If you don't want to use that method, we have your auto wallet funding, which automatically generates your account. So okay, I think that's all you need to know about funding your wallet, and that's all you need to know about funding your wallet. Okay, of course, that's how the platform operates. And another important thing you may want to know is this: for those who already have, if you are a kind of busy person and you already have traffic of people who do this on a daily basis, and they would like to do it on the system themselves, while you keep yourself busy doing other things, all you need to do is talk to one of our admin on how you can have a website of your own. The website enables you to put everything in place. People fund their wallets, the system credit them automatically. No need of calling your attention. Once you have it on your platform, you make the same profit you want to make as when you do it. The only thing is, people that buy on the platform always want to buy at a cheaper rate compared to the one you do manually for them, because they already have an idea of how the system works, and it's possible they have 2 or 3 platforms as well where they can check their prices and compare that your own is a bit costly than the other one. So I think this little video has given you an insight of what you can do on the system. So once again, you always see the plan you had. By default, you'll be on an end user plan, which means the price you buy on an end user is a little bit higher than the one you buy as a reseller. So if your account is on an end user, you can upgrade it to a reseller system where I think I'm not sure of the price now, but of course you will see the price on the dashboard, the price you are going to pay. Either you fund your wallet, the money will be deducted from your wallet, and automatically the system will upgrade you to a reseller platform. When the system upgrades you to a reseller platform, the price will be cheaper. I think when the end user is buying at the rate of 250, a reseller buy at 245. So those price difference are what makes the major thing from an end user to a reseller. I've explained the developer fashion as well. So thank you